shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for Friday, January 22nd, TGIF. What a week it's been. We are going to start with the SPY, which I pointed out yesterday. We were hitting that upper trend line, of resistance. And it looks like this might be a evening star pattern here, right? 3-day, if we have a red candle going down. We're going to be bullish above 382.55 today for the day trade. Keep in mind these are all day trades. And bear below 381. Yeah, we're going to watch that 8 EMA, which is at 380.37. Yeah, if it doesn't hold that, it's most likely going to come down to this 378 area with the 15 exponential moving average is. Let's head on over. And by the way, we did have a new dark pool level at 384. We are below that, 7 million. Let's go to the Russell. Now, the Russell led us up, and it looks like the Russell is leading us down this morning. As you note, we are below the 8 exponential moving average on the daily chart, so that is definitely showing a lot more weakness. We are only going to be bullish above 213.50, bear below 210. I love that 210 level, but keep in mind, we do have this dark pool level, 209.64. All right, if we break below that, look out below. That's when I would get heavier on my puts. Let's go to the QQQs, and thank you, Dave, for pointing that out this morning. QQQs, bullish above 326. Now, this has been strong, but we are testing this upper trend line. So bullish above 326.20, bear below 324. It's definitely getting pulled back by some earnings reports that were not so pretty this morning. We'll get to that in a minute. But let's head on over to the futures. Let's go to those E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 38.25. Very similar to the SPY, by the way. And bear below 38.15. We've tested that 2 times this morning. And third time could be the charm. If it doesn't hold there. Let's go to the Nasdaq futures. We're going to be bullish above 13,375, bear below 13,300. We've all came pretty close to it around 7:30 this morning Eastern time. Let's go to the oil market. The oil pit, not looking good this morning. Having a pull down here. We are only going to be bullish above 52.40, and we're going to be bearish below 51.60. You can see we do have that 20 simple moving average there. Yeah, if we close below that, we're most likely going to come on down to the 30, this green moving average right here. 30 simple moving average. Let's go to gold. Gold having a pullback this morning. We're going to be bullish above 18.55 and bear below 18.42.50, which it just went below, and we're starting to hit targets. I could see a pullback to this lower trend line right here. That's why I kind of stopped at that 18.33 level. Just there, watch that level for your last target. If we close below, that's going to be bearish. Let's go to Bitcoin futures. All right, hammered yesterday. Yep, it really just pretty much sat its little body right on top of that 30 simple moving average on the daily chart, and it looks like it's trying to pull back up to that 4 EMA this morning. That's going to be resistance, as well as that 8 EMA. Really would need to close above that for confirmation on strength. But we did have a ton of volume on that this morning as well. So I did put the pre-market volume here between 29,335 and 3,000. That was way back right here. Really big volume at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yep. You want to trade Bitcoin futures? Yeah, you got to get up early. So we're going to be bullish above 32,050, and we're going to be bearish below 30,000. That's a pretty big level. All right, let's go to individual stocks. We got some earnings that have reported. Schlumberger. it's not liking it. No, not liking the earnings at all. Bullish only above 25. We did have dark pool activity before earnings, 930,000 shares at 25.20. Somebody obviously knew something. We'll be bear below 23.80, and up we've already gone down and hit many targets, and that's why I send these out individually to you in the morning. If you have the dark pool app, if you're in our trading rooms, you see me typing it out. But where is our next entry, right? That's the key. That's why it's so important to learn how to do these. So just give me 1 second. I just want to see where the pivots are. Yeah, so 23.25 would be my next entry on the short side. 23.11 is S2, so that would be target. As you see, I put this right here, but 25. Yep, unless we go up and start to turn around again, then you could enter at 23.60. Yeah, that would be another entry point on the short side, or 23. Yeah, so there's many different, quite a few different levels. If you miss the actual whisper, it's why it's important to learn how to do this yourself. And I'll be teaching that, by the way, in that one-day boot camp workshop coming up in November. Yeah, it's on our website. Yeah, not November, sorry. It's not November, it's February. February 5th, is it? Or 4th? February 4th. Okay, February 4th, I'll be teaching that. All day live trading, day trading, swing trading, you name it. All right, so let's go to Intel. Had earnings, did not like earnings. We're going to be bullish only above 60.20. The reason I use that level is we have a dark pool level there. 60.20, 1.6 million. We had another one at 60.80. So that's why it's ping pong. This is a print pong trade from one dark pool level to the next dark pool level, and a retracement back up on the upside. If not, look out below, bearish below 59 for Intel. Let's go to IBM. Big Blue is not happy today. No, wow, crushing. Somebody knew something back last month in December. We don't get too many dark pool prints on IBM. Yeah, it's just not a dark pool favorite, but we did get a 500,000 share print back in the beginning of December at 127.50, and that person is pretty happy that sold it. We're going to be bullish above 122.50 today for a retracement trade, and bear below 121. We just went below that. This looks like a drop and drop lower. Weekly chart, not so pretty either. We've pretty much engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Yeah, that's pretty bearish if we close weak like that. Let's go to Bank of America. I've been personally trading this one. If you're in the Java pit, I've been rolling down the hill. And it looks pretty good today for that swing trade. Again, after earnings, if stocks close weak, I don't care what the earnings are. If they close weak, it's bearish. If they close strong, it's bullish. And that's why I love earnings season, trading these after they come out. And you can see bearish momentum, the 4 cross below the 8 there. So are we going to fill this gap in today? That's that trade, and that's why I wrote gap fill. Yeah. A lot of times they do a gap fake out, so we could get a bounce at 31. So we'll see, yeah, if that happens. But we're going to be bearish below 31.20. First target 31.02. Bullish only above 32. And that's also a retracement to dark pool levels. 32.27 was the dark pool level. So we'll watch and see if it were to go up. All right, let's go to Tesla. Thank you, Dave, for posting those prints on Tesla that add up to 992,000 shares. Sneaky prints too. Yeah, so thanks for that. Between 845.50 and 848, we are below those prints. Yeah, Tesla looks like it might be finally running out of fumes, but we're going to be bullish above 850. It's all about the levels. If we go above the prints, yep, we put our bull hat on, but we're going to be bearish below 830. We're coming down to that right now. Let's go to Apple. All right, Apple was a nice run. Thank you for all those emails. I got lots of tweets saying from a lot of you traders that had great trades on the past couple of days. But what is it going to do now, right? Kind of looks like it up thrusted yesterday. Sellers came in here. Could be a good retracement trade back down to support. So we're bearish below 135. But if it does start to head up, we're going to be bullish above 137. I like when it's in the middle because it's really got room to go on both sides. And again, this is for day trading. Swing trading, totally different, okay? Let's go to NEO. NEO, we're going to be bullish above 59.50. All right, been kind of sideways consolidation here. And we're going to be bearish below 57.50. It's kind of a right on that 4 and 8 EMA. So we'll see which way it wants to go today. And let's go to GLD next. That's not GLD. Hold on. GLD. All right, pulling down, filled in this gap, by the way. Yep, likes to fill. Let's see if it's going to go up now or going to continue to go down. So bear below 172.50. And we are going to be bullish above 173.50 today. We'll see which way it wants to go. And our last one is UAL. UAL. Watch this trend line here. Really key trend line. Yeah, we looked at this yesterday in our afternoon meeting and we mapped out some really good trades. Looks like a head and shoulders. Pretty sloppy. Yeah, let me just draw that for you. Yeah, left shoulder, head. A little bit on the sloppy side, but this is a key neckline. Usually we like when they slope to the downside, but either way, yeah, really key. If we can't hold on to this, look out below. We'll most likely go down to 40, bounce, and then come down even further. So keep your eye on that for the bigger picture. But for the day trade today, bullish above 42.50 and bear below 41.97. We just slipped below that. So until next time, happy trading, everybody. Have a great weekend.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.